cases of violence in Manipur, the Supreme Court today appointed an all-women three-judge panel to oversee the investigation. The top focus of the three-judge panel will be to ensure a prompt investigation in the cases, relief and rehabilitation for the survivors. Making the announcement, Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandarchud, said that the apex court's top priority will be to restore law and order in the state. About 12 cases of crimes against women have been handed to the CBI. The team probing these 12 cases will comprise of 5 officers of the Deputy SP rank who will be brought in from different states. Former Maharashtra DGP and decorated IPS officer Dattatray Patskilkar will head the CBI probe. Meanwhile, all other cases that have not been transferred to the CBI will be probed by a total of 42 special investigative teams. These teams will be headed by officers not below the rank of SP. Now, to top all of this up, the court says the investigation will be monitored weekly by the DIG and once every 2 weeks by the DGP. Harish, coming back to you as far as this significant development is concerned, what are the key takeaways we should know as far as the investigation is concerned?
Yes, very significant orders have been issued by the Supreme Court as far as the Manipur violence is concerned. And the Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud led bench said that our effort will be to instill a sense of law and order. Remember, on August 1, while summoning the Manipur DGP, Rajiv Singh, the Supreme Court had pulled up this Manipur and central government saying that there is no law and order there was no law and order in the state of Manipur. The entire machinery had failed, and even there was a constitutional machinery had failed, and therefore the Supreme Court is intervening. And today, it very significantly appointed former Maharashtra Commissioner of Police and DGP Dattatray Patsalgikar to monitor the entire framework of the net of probe the Supreme Court has initiated. The Supreme Court took into consideration that there are 3,567 FIRs registered, and out of it only 12 to 16 are FIRs pertaining to crime against women of sexual assault and rape. That, in a very significant decision, Supreme Court has allowed the CBI to probe and rest. And even for that is what is important, is that the Supreme Court said to instill a free and fair probe, and also to instill the confidence of the people in the caught in the conflict between Kukis and Meithis. The DYSP rank officials should be deputed by the CBI from outside the state. They should not belong to Manipur, and they should probe the case, the crime against women and children. And as far as the humanitarian aspects are concerned, like relief and rehabilitation, payment of compensation, confidence building measures, the Supreme Court has formed a judicial panel comprising of 3 women ex-High Court judges. They are Justices Geeta Mittal, Shalini Joshi and Asha Menon. And as far as the other crimes are concerned, like murder, arson, grievous hurt, damage to public property and places of worship, the Supreme Court has very significantly constituted 42 SITs, and they will be headed by an officer not below the rank of SP. And there will be 7 DIG level officers who will head 6 SITs each. So this is the framework decided by the Supreme Court as far as the probe is concerned. And the Supreme Court very clearly said that we have to bring back a sense of law and order in the state, and it has to be done at the earliest. And as I said earlier, last time there was several questions posed to the Manipur government and the central government as far as delay in lodging of FIRs are concerned. From the date of occurrence to the lodging of FIR, there was a lot of delay, even more than 1.5 months. And also Supreme Court questioned the delay in recording the statement of witnesses, arresting the accused, recording of statement of witnesses and victims before the magistrate, and also questioned. There was also reports that the 2 women seen in the viral video who were paraded naked after sexual assault, they were thrown to the mob by the police, and whether action had been taken against the policemen. and why there was a delay of around 14 days in registration of FIR in that matter, and regarding another case where a woman and her husband and her son was lynched after being dragged out of car. It occurred on May 7th, and the FIR was registered on July 23rd. So Supreme Court pointed out several instances where there was a lot of gap, lot of lapse of time from the date of occurrence and registration of FIR. So to bring a solution, Supreme Court allowed the plea by the Manipur government and central government to transfer the crimes against women.
Harish, I'd have to interject you over there, but